Hello there! Now, some of you might have noticed that my channel has been a little bit quiet lately. Admittedly, that's not something particularly unusual when it comes to my channel. However, the difference this time is I have a legitimate excuse, and it's a good one. I'm afraid Shades Warhammer is coming to an end.
And now...
Stop that lamenting, because this is good news. I realise you're probably crying about now, but wipe those tears away from that computer screen. Just be glad it's tears this time you're wiping away. It's taken 6 years, but I've finally found some friends. And I think that's pretty good news. From today, I will be joining the Sons of Sigmar, and this is a match made in heaven. The Sons of Sigmar is an awesome new channel, and I am truly honoured to be a part of it. This is really taking things to that next level. Myself and 2 other awesome Warhammer YouTubers, the Faithless Berserker and Gain the Unforgiven, are combining our forces, and thus together we have become the Sons of Sigmar. Anybody who is into this channel, first, truly, thank you so much for your love and your support over the years. And this part of the video wasn't recorded at a later stage. I just can magically change clothes. Not the best of superpowers, but, you know, it's something I've always been able to do. Anyway, if you like my channel, even if you think I suck, but you like Warhammer Fantasy, or perhaps you've clicked on this video accidentally because you've got a out-of-control Warhammer fetish, where you constantly fantasize about Warhammers every single day, day after day, or perhaps you're just my mother and father, and are watching this video out of pure British politeness. Whatever the case, click that link that's down in the description. If my mother and father can do it, you can do it too. To be serious for a second, it's goodbye to Shades Warhammer. Shades Warhammer. The entity Shades Warhammer, being all on his lonesome, and it's hello to Shades with his brothers in arms. Let's all drink an ale. I wish I had the ability to Photoshop an ale in my hand, but use the imagination. Drink an ale to Sigmar. Huzzah!